Missed payment weakens it. If your goal is an 800 plus score, perfect payment history is non-negotiable. Credit utilization, which is often the fastest way to see noticeable improvements. Credit utilization of your available credit that you're using at any given time. Let's say you have a total credit limit and your balances add up to $3,000. That means your utilization is 30%. While many financial experts below 30%, people with exceptional credit scores often keep utilization below 10%. Some even. This doesn't mean you should stop using your credit cards. It means you should avoid carrying large balances relative to your limit. Making multiple payments throughout the month can help keep your reported balances low. Another powerful strategy is increasing your available credit while maintaining habits. Many credit card companies allow customers to request credit limit increases after demonstrating responsible account management. Spending remains unchanged, your utilization ratio drops automatically. This can boost your score without major lifestyle changes. However, key is discipline. More available credit should not become an excuse to spend more money. Is to improve your credit profile, not increase your debt. As you work toward your goal, avoid closing old credit cards unless absolutely. Many people think closing unused accounts will improve their finances, but it can actually hurt their score. Older accounts contribute, which lenders value because it demonstrates long-term responsibility. Closing accounts can also reduce your available credit ratio to rise. If an older card has no annual fee, keeping it open may be one of the smartest moves you can make for your credit profile. It's all about applying for new credit. Every time you submit an application for a credit card or loan, a hard inquiry on your credit report. A few inquiries are generally not a major problem, but multiple applications within a short period. During your 12-month credit building journey, focus on improving your existing accounts rather than chasing every new credit offer. Consistency and patience are far more valuable than constantly opening new accounts. Another habit that separates people with average credit from those with is regularly monitoring their credit reports. Errors happen.